name is Nina, and today I would like to talk to you about Dumbo octopus. As you can see, that this is a Dumbo octopus, and so is this one. They don't look the same, but they're actually the same species. So let's get start talking about the description of them. So let's go on. Dumbo octopuses is the deepest living of all known octopus. There are 14 known species of Dumbo octopus. Dumbo octopuses are about 20 to 30 centimeters in length. They are very small animals compared to other sea animals living in the ocean. Dumbo octopus's body is semi-translucent. That means you can kind of see through it, but not all the way through. They have a U or V-shaped shell, which gives them a protection for their shell. And some Dumbo octopuses are short and squat and yellow, while the others look like a sea jelly with one brown giant walking shoe. They have two fins. See, these two fins, they're not actually ears, they're really fins. And they have 8 tentacles also. There's 4 here, but if you turn it around, there'll be 4. So 4 plus 4 is 8. So there's 8 tentacles. Their 8 tentacles are webbed, while the others look normal. Octopuses are blue with colored ears. And they have suckers on their tentacles. Right here. Those are suckers. Okay, so let's move on to the habitat. Where do they live? Can you see where they live? If you're interested, do you want to go look at them? Well, let's see. Species of this family are believed to exist on the deepest living ocean floor. In all of the world, they live at the bottom of the ocean at the depths around 4,000 milliliters. Meters. Some Dumbo octopuses live in the pathologic zone, that's right here, and the athropologic zone. And here's the pathologic zone, and here's the athropologic zone. And you can see that the pathologic zone is from 700 to 1,000, and athropologic zone is 2,000 to 4,000. Meters. Under here is where scientists believe that they're not supposed to live. They can't because there's too much pressure. But from here to here, scientists think that they can live there. And they are found. And some species, they have been found in waters surrounding New Zealand and Australia and many other states.
Countries.
Since they're at the bottom of the ocean, they are adapted to cold weather because at the bottom of the ocean it is cold. And here is they're all oceans. And there are actually 5 oceans, so they live in the 5 oceans. And the yellow parts here are where the Dumbo octopuses live. Let's move on to food. Let's see what they eat. Between the animal's eyes and lower, the Dumbo octopus has an indent where a beak sits. This beak is used for catching and eating food. Dumbo octopuses lives at at the bottom of the sea, and that is why they have a very small amount of food supply. They hover around the sea floor to search for food. Prey includes pathologic pathologic and entomologic and pathologic iPads and copepods and many more. These are just the ones. These are just some pictures of what it eats. It does it different. The octopus, the Dumbo octopus, only eats different because it swallows its whole prey from the other octopuses. Well, that's how it eats and that's what it eats. Let's see, how long is it live? Let's go talk about the lifespan. The average lifespan of various Dumbo octopus species are about let's say 3 years to 5 years. Males die after they mate. Females die after the eggs hatch. From this we can tell that a lifespan of a female is longer than a male. Dumbo octopuses live at the bottom of the ocean where there is a lot of pressure. Humans cannot create such pressure in the aquarium. That is why we don't know the lifespan in captivity. There are not that many predators at the deepest part of the ocean. That is why it has a long lifespan for an octopus. Well, that's how long it lives, and that's pretty much how long it lives. And that's when the female dies and the male dies. But the female is like older than the males. So let's talk about caring for their young. What do they do when they're babies? Let's see. Their mother can lay about 200,000 eggs. It lays the eggs under a shell or rock. The female cares for the eggs, guarding them against predators and gently blowing currents of water over them so that they get enough oxygen. Because without oxygen, I don't think animals can breathe without oxygen. Like, we can't breathe without oxygen. I don't think animals can either. When the eggs hatch, the mom dies. So babies have to survive on their own. But they are well developed to survive on their own because the newborn Dumbo octopus is large in size, there's not that many predators, and it can swim when it's just born. So that's for caring for their young. Let's learn some interesting facts. So let's get some interesting facts. So the first interesting fact is how did the Dumbo octopus get its name? It got its name from Dumbo octopus, from the Dumbo, the elephant, a Disney character, because it is its ear-like fins. The Dumbo octopus ever recorded was 6 feet and 32 in length and weighed 13 pounds. That's pretty big for an octopus. Let's see fact 3. The Dumbo octopus does not have a mating season. It can mate whenever it wants, like butterflies. They have a mating season, but octopus, they're free, just like humans are. They can flush their transparent layer of skin whenever they want. Imagine if we can do it. We have a transparent loop and we can just flush it. That'd be awesome. These deep-dwelling octopus swim by flapping their large ears and by explosion and contract of their webbed arms. Dumbo octopus has been reported to the pathologic sense, meaning that it emits light. When all its tentacles are spread out, the Dumbo octopus looks like a starfish underneath because of its suckers. Like, if you see a starfish before, it has like its 8 arms and their suckers. If you look, it's five arms, and like octopus have 8, but it's pretty close. And their suckers, kind of, if you look on the bottom of the picture, kind of does look like a starfish. Well, I think it does. When all its tentacles are spread, when the eggs that are released are placed under the rocks or so.
What happened?
Males and females can be discussioned by the length of their suckers. Males have longer suckers. That kind of makes sense to me. They have probably more suckers because they're like stronger in their boys, like in humans there are. The fact that Dumbo octopus live in such deep areas of the sea means that scientists have not been able to learn as much about them as they would like. So that's how many interesting facts there are. Well, that's actually, this animal's kind of unique. Don't you think so?
Yes.
So that's about the Dumbo octopuses. And I have a little thing here that classifies them. It's a scientific classifier. Their kingdom is Anemonid, Python, Molluscus, class Cephalopod, order Octopod, family Ophiuchus. So that's my name of the Dumbo octopus. Oh, and I have one more thing.
Did you like it, Joshua? Yes. Nice.
And
You can clap.
here is a model of the Dumbo octopus. Here's a model of the Dumbo octopus.
Can we have it closer a little bit toward us? So I can record it? Yeah.
As you can see, I did this all alone. As you can see, this is a Dumbo octopus, and these two, remember, those are the animals that it eats. And the Dumbo octopus is scrolling around, hovering. That's how it's hovering around to find food, and it's finding food over there under the sea. And that's the model of how it eats. I hope you like the project. Now, goodbye.
Thank you. Loved it. Right, Joshua?
Oh, and yeah, if you have any questions, just tell me.
Do we have a question, Joshua?
No.
Can I have a pet Dumbo octopus as a pet?
No, you cannot have it a pet because it's a really pressure. It has so much pressure, and aquariums can't make it. So I don't think even a normal tank can. So I wouldn't think so. Fish can live up because we fish, and our fishing line doesn't go all the way down. It stays up, so fish live up. So that's how they're able to. Okay?
Okay. Thank you so much.
Here, I'll go.
Bumble, Bumble.
Bravo. Bravo.